Hello everyone! Today we'll learn the days of the week in Italian and some essential phrases.
Today you're going to learn how to say the days of the week in Italian with the correct pronunciation for each one of them, and also some basic Italian phrases related to the days of the week. These are all essential Italian words and phrases that you need to know if you're learning Italian. Welcome to Italianissimo, the channel where we help you speak real, authentic Italian with confidence. If you want to learn how to say the days of the week in perfect Italian, you will love this video, so keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Italianissimo right now for more lessons. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Days of the week. Let's start with the days of the week in Italian. In Italy, the week always starts with Monday. Monday, lunedì. Tuesday, martedì. Wednesday, mercoledì. Thursday, giovedì. Friday, venerdì. Saturday, sabato. Sunday, domenica. Let's repeat them all in Italian only. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. Remember, the days of the week in Italian are masculine, except for domenica, which is feminine. That's because the word for day in Italian, giorno, is masculine. Now, some related words. Now that you know the days of the week, let's add a few related Italian words. Weekend is fine settimana. We also use weekend from English, but fine settimana is the proper Italian word. The weekend is masculine. Il fine settimana. Today is oggi. Yesterday, ieri. Tomorrow, domani. Here are a couple of basic phrases you can use when talking about the week. Che giorno è oggi? What day is today? Oggi è sabato. Today is Saturday. Now, let me know, what day is it for you right now? Write it in the comments below in Italian. Now you know how to say the days of the week in Italian with the correct pronunciation, plus some very useful phrases to use in real conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Italianissimo for more weekly lessons. And now I want to hear from you. What other basic Italian words and phrases would you like to learn? Write it in the comments. Ci vediamo nel prossimo video. Ciao da Italianissimo.